In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive completed documents in Stack. This process is designed to help you manage your documents efficiently, ensuring that everything is organized and that completed projects are stored safely away, but remain accessible when you need them. First, let's start by heading over to the Stack login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Stack login URL. Once there, you should see the option to log in using your Google account. This is a quick way to access your Stack account without having to remember a separate password for just this application. Simply click on Login with Google and a new window will pop up. Here you'll select the Google account associated with your Stack account. Just click on your account and you'll be automatically directed into your Stack projects environment. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves navigating to your desired project. Locate the project you want to organize and click on it. This will open the project interface where you manage your documents. Once there, we're focusing on the Plans and Takeoffs section. This is an essential area where document organization takes place, and it's also the central area for actively managing your project files. Within the Plans and Takeoffs section, locate the vertical ellipsis, those three little dots beside the sheet IDs. Clicking there gives you more options for document management. We're going to create a top-level folder here, so choose Create Folder from the menu. It's best practice to name this new folder something intuitive like Archived Projects. This way anyone else who might work on this or similar projects will know exactly where to find archived documents. When creating the new folder, just type in the chosen name and save it. An Archived Projects folder will now appear in your folder structure. With this, you're set up to start moving completed documents. Simply drag and drop these completed files into your newly created Archived Projects folder. Organizing documents this way not only helps keep your current workspace clutter-free, but also ensures that archived documents are easy to locate whenever you need to review past projects. This structured folder system helps keep track of your project's lifecycle and is a simple but effective way to ensure your file management remains intuitive and accessible. By regularly archiving completed documents, you enhance your document workflow, making room for ongoing projects while keeping your past projects readily available for future reference. Thank you for following along today. With this setup, your Stack projects will be organized and efficient, freeing you to focus more on creation and execution rather than document management. Happy archiving!